What's happening, YouTube? What to do? This Cichlid Strain Hunter coming in with another video. How y'all doing today? Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So let's jump into this new batch of red tiger Motaguenses. But first, if you haven't subscribed, you frequent this channel enough, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to get notifications, just hit that bell. And also, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button too. Alright, so what we got here is some beautiful, I say they're no longer juveniles, it's going into adulthood almost. Some adult things going on in here. Yes, as you can see, this is not the first time because I already showed you guys a batch of them. But look in that corner right there, we got some of these Jacob's line red tiger Motaguenses. This the female right here that did the do. This mama, she gets busy every couple weeks. She don't want to be on camera. So you guys see what's going on. I'm not gonna chase her away from her brood. Come on back over. This proud papa right there. Beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous red tiger Motaguenses. Sorry about the glare or the blur. Just trying to focus. Yeah, but these guys, I'm keeping these guys, but if anyone is interested in, say for instance, a pair of red tiger motors, you got one pair right there. That's a mama. That's another big guy right there. We got some other males in here and another couple females, I guess. So yeah, if you guys are interested, leave me a message. Best way to reach me is probably go to Instagram, because YouTube don't allow you to leave your phone number and stuff like that. So this male right here has great potential. Great, beautiful, beautiful male. This is female right here, the little small one. She probably will grow quick as soon as she get up out of this tank with that situation. As the rest of these, they need to be separated. So yeah, I got a couple of extra ones. Even this guy right here, even though he got a couple of scratches on it, that's to be expected. I mean, you do got the mama and daddy over here fending off anybody that's tried to get close. Why this thing ain't trying to focus, I don't know. Let me get back over here. So yeah, appreciate you guys, and this is just a little quick update. Until the next one, we out. Like I said, hit me up on Instagram. It's Cichlid Strain Hunters, and leave me a DM if you're interested. We gotta lighten the load up in here. Peace.